Hello everyone and welcome back to Shoplista. Today I will be showing you my 3 seafood stew. This is the stew that I mentioned in my previous short, linked in the description box below. It's perfect for your weight loss journey and is very meal prep friendly. You can pair it with rice or quinoa, a salad, or garlic bread. And it is also a great recipe for dinner with kids. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and like the video up. Without further ado, let's get cooking. First, to a saucepan, I added canned calamari. As it started to boil, I added tomato paste. Then, I added chopped red, orange, yellow, green peppers, red and white onions, cilantro, and tomatoes. Now, I'll add shrimp. Now, I'll add crab meat. Once fully cooked, I plated it up with seafood salad. Comment down below if you'll like a short about it. I also added some rice and another side dish. And for my plate, it just has salad. Comment down below if you would rather the first plate of the second plate. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy my recipes and want to see more recipes from Shoplista, make sure to subscribe the channel, click the notification bell and like this video up. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.